Today, we're diving into the Apple AirPods 3rd generation. These earbuds come packed with Apple's spatial audio technology, providing an immersive listening experience. They're sweat and water resistant with an IPX4 rating, so you can take them to the gym or out in the rain. Battery life, up to 30 hours with the included charging case. They're also compatible with a wide range of Apple devices, from iPhones to Apple TVs, and even support Siri. The earbuds have a 10mm driver size and use Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity. The charging case uses a Lightning port, and the package includes a Lightning to USB-C cable. The earbuds weigh 40.5 grams, and the charging case weighs 44.5 grams. They come in 2 colors, white and space gray, with a 4.7 out of 5-star rating based on over 22,000 reviews. Customers love the sound quality, battery life, and comfortable fit.